Hello again, it's old Jim here. Today I'm going to show you the best way to cook rice. Rice isn't all that easy to cook. It can so easily turn mushy, so it's always great to have a reliable and trusted method to cook rice properly. My dad, when I was young, showed me how to cook rice, and I've used this method ever since. And that's going back quite a bit. You can cook both easy cook rice and ordinary long grain rice using this method. So let's get started. Into the pan that has a lid, add 250 grams of long grain rice. This should be enough rice for 2 people. You don't need to wash the rice, as the rice these days is a lot cleaner than it used to be. Next, add 560 millilitres of boiling water. Then briefly stir the rice into the water and place the lid back on the pan. It's very important not to remove the lid, and just like a secret agent's drink, don't shake or stir the rice while it's cooking. It's important just to leave the rice to cook quietly by itself. Once the lid is on the pan, turn the hot plate to high and wait for the water to start boiling. As soon as you see the water boiling, immediately turn the hot plate to its lowest setting. On my cooker, the lowest setting is low. And again, leave the pan to work its magic. Don't shake or stir it. Keep the lid on the pan. Next, set a timer for 22 minutes precisely. The timing is very important. As the rice cooks, it absorbs the water and you should see the rice swell. After 22 minutes, turn off the hot plate completely. Briefly remove the lid. Be very careful of the steam rising from the pan and the hot lid top. Gently loosen the rice a bit with a fork, but not too much. Then replace the lid on the pan and leave the rice for a further 10 minutes with no heat. Don't be tempted to shake or stir it just yet. After 10 minutes the rice is done. Carefully remove the hot lid again and serve the rice. My granddaughter bought me this beautiful Chinese rice bowl a few years ago, and here is the rice we've just cooked. The grain is intact and perfectly cooked. I took some close-up pictures just to show you how good this is. Well, there you have it. That's how I cook long grain rice, the easy way, not shaken or stirred. I do hope that you enjoy it.